wanted to hop on here and share with you guys a new idea I had for hidden paper clips. I made these using my nesting dies, and I have several different types of nesting dies, but I'll just put these ones out for examples of a nesting die in case you don't know what a nesting die is. I have already made these ones, so here's some examples of some of the paper clips that I have made already. Hidden paper clips. And I'm making these ones for an Alice in Wonderland journal that I'm currently in the process of making. But I just had an idea that, you know, instead of just cutting paper, you could use your nesting dies different sizes. So here is some pre-cut ones that I did for my example. And I think I used this size. Let's see. No. Okay, so this size for this. So let me see. I'll let you know what size it is. Okay, so this one is about 3 inches. And then the next die up is the one I used for this piece. And this one is almost 4 inches. Well, it is 4 inches long. So what I did was, I will cut one just so that you guys can see how I did it. I took my Big Shot. Hopefully you guys can see that. Good. And my cutting plate. And then I took my dies and some paper. So I just fold the cardstock in half like so. Put it on the cutting plate. And then I don't put the die all the way over like this. I'm going to put it a little bit on the edge of the folded edge of my cardstock. And then I think I'll do both of them in this color just since I'm just doing a demonstration for now. But you can do them in contrasting colors. And then you just put the plate in and you cut. Like so. And you can go twice if you want, just to make sure it's cut good. Okay, so now I've got my cuts. Put this down so you guys can see. So now you see I've got my 2 cut pieces, and what you will do, so now they're folded. If you can see the fold, since I cut it that way on the folded edge, you've got 2 pieces that are folded. So we'll go back to this one, and what you do is you'll need one of these razor blade knives, and you're going to take the smaller piece and you're going to cut a place for the paper clip to come up just a little bit. It might take a few times to get it through all the way, like so. And then after you do that, you take your paper clip and you put it on your paper, your bigger paper, and you're going to leave this up a little bit because that's going to be where you put your bow. And then you're going to stick the paper clip through that hole that you just cut, like that. So once you do that, I almost forgot, if you want to distress the edges, now would be the time to do it before you go to the next step. So I like to distress the edges of all my stuff, just because I think it gives it more of a finished look. Plus right here, if that paper looks white right there, I like to distress it really good so that it doesn't look so stark white coming through that edge. Okay, so like that. And then you can do your other one. I just thought it was a really fun idea because there's so many different shapes that you can do when you make these ones with nesting dies. There's so many different nesting dies out there and different shapes you can do. It's just, there's so many options that way. So I thought it just seemed like a really good idea. Okay, so then you put your paper clip on. Put your other paper over that paper clip so that it comes out like so. And then you want to glue this down with some good glue. I use the art glitter glue. But Fabri-Tac would work also, or some kind of mixed media glue. Something that you know is going to hold well with a paper clip. And I'm pretty generous with the glue just because I know that there's going to be a paper clip underneath. So I want to make sure that it's going to hold. It's going to hold, not come up. So just like that. And then you do the other side as well. Fold it over and make sure it's glued down really well. So we've got that now. And then you can take a ribbon. I'm taking this purple ribbon and cut it to whatever size you want. And you're going to stick the ribbon through that paper clip. And then bring it through all the way and tie your bow there, like so. So that's just a real easy way and fun way to make more decorative and different shapes. Like we have 3 different shapes here. So I've got this one, and this one. So this one has the little one and the bigger one. Anyways, I hope you guys, and then you can decorate it however you want, or you can leave it just like that. I will show you real quick on the journal that I'm making what that looks like once you're done with it. Let's see. Let's try it. Let's get a page where the, okay, so there's the Mad Hatter. So let's try the Mad Hatter paper clip. So you just put it on any page. You can hold, say I wanted this up here instead of in a pocket. And it's just really cute. So I hope you guys like that tutorial and the quick little tip I'm giving you to make your paper clips a little more fun. I will talk to you later. Have a great week. Bye.